Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off story notifications of any account on Snapchat. First, choose any account and hold on it like this and click story settings, and here just click like this and it will be turned off. And that's how to turn off story notifications of any account on your account on Snapchat. Easy and quick, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.